Hey Herbert, how's it going? It's Gilbert here with Epic Auto Sales. Just wanted to thank you for taking the time to submit an internet request on the 2010 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. I wanted to send you out this quick little video to put a face with a name. As well, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can reach me directly to my cell, 832-904-2270. Let's take a quick little walk around of this beautiful truck, the 2010 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. All right, let's take a quick look around of the 2010 Chevy Avalanche LTZ. Some beautiful rims on it. It does have the running boards that pop out whenever you do open up the doors. Clean, very, very clean. Wood grain inside. Low mileage, only 79,000 miles. Does have reverse camera. Sunroof included. You do have your cooling seats, heating seats, memory seats. LTZ. Beautiful. Entertainment system for the kiddos or for anybody in the back seat. Carfax is provided on this vehicle. Every one of our vehicles does and get ran through our service department that's located on site to ensure that every one of our vehicles are in great and running condition. If you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to give me a call, 832-904-2270. I'm looking forward to seeing you real soon. We have the best deals in town. Give me a call, 832-904-2270.